Okay, so this is a 2014 BMW 3 Series that I just put brake pads and rotors on. I have a brake systems warning light on the dash here, and I also have one here when I start the car on the main screen. What you're going to want to do is press the start button once without starting the car. Press the trip button or ODO button a couple times here, and then we're going to hold it. I think this takes about 10 seconds. There it is. And you can scroll through by keep pressing it to see which ones you want to reset. I want to reset brake pads. So I'm going to hold it again. As you reset, press it again. Reset possible. Hold it. Reset. Hold it down when you get the question mark. And you get the little scroll bar here. Reset in progress. If you also want to reset the engine oil, which I do, I just changed the oil also. I'm going to hold it down again. Once you get the question mark, you can let go and re-hold until you get the little icon screen here, the bar. And once you get reset successful, you can take your finger off. This also works for any of the other services. And that's it. Thanks for watching.